Gratitude has a profound effect and the potential to completely change your state of being in just a moment's time. The practice of sharing gratitude can spread around the world, and the positive energy has no boundaries. Welcome to today's gratitude meditation practice. I'm Sarah Raymond. Here at the Mindful Movement, we are an oasis where you can come to tap into your inner peace, positive mindset, and the ability for self-healing. And now, as we begin, I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Choose a posture that is upright if possible, with your spine straight and body relaxed and open, with your heart easy. Feel free to lie down if necessary, with a straight spine. Begin to notice your breath and the movement that happens with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to fill the area of your heart with each inhale, and relax here, opening further still with each exhale. Become aware of how the breath expands within your heart, filling the open space. Notice how your breath is expanding in connection with the growing feeling of love. With each passing breath, soften not only on the surface, but also from deep within. Soften into your present experience just as it is. Soften and offer yourself love and kindness in this moment. Give yourself permission to simply be here, enjoying everything that comes to the surface as you soften and open to gratitude. Notice how you feel with acceptance as you develop a deeper state of awareness and connection. Experience your breath tenderly, gently, taking special care of yourself as you open into the vulnerability of love. Enjoying the expansive, open space at your heart now. Bring to mind something or someone that naturally brings the feeling of gratitude into your heart. No need to think too hard. Let come to mind whatever presents itself first. Something simple that easily brings this sensation to your body. Hold this feeling of gratitude in your heart. Let appreciation and gratitude arise and fill your body and mind. For the next 10 breaths, link your breath to this gratitude affirmation. As you breathe in your mind or out loud, say, "I am grateful for." And as you breathe out, finish the sentence. And repeat this process for 10 breaths, just letting the gratitude come to you. Breathe in, "I am grateful for." Breathe out. Letting this affirmation go and your breath return to a natural, easy flow. And now allow your awareness to move around your immediate environment. Notice the roof over your head, all of the things you can smell, taste, touch, hear. And imagine all the things you could see if your eyes were open. And then say to yourself, "I offer my thanks for the blessings this earth has given me. May these blessings remain and multiply as I continue to notice and give thanks for them. For all of this, I am grateful." Next, bring to mind those people in your life to whom you are close. Perhaps those who offer love and support, your friends, your family, your partner. And begin to think to yourself, "I offer my thanks for the family and friends I have been given. I offer my thanks for the supportive community I have been given. May these blessings remain and multiply as I continue to notice and give thanks for them." For this, I am grateful. And next, turn your attention onto yourself. You are a unique individual with many gifts to offer this world. Perhaps you have been blessed with an active imagination, or strong communication, or an amazingly unique personality. Think to yourself, I offer my thanks for the life and safety and well-being I have been given. For this, I am grateful. As you continue to experience gratitude, you may even find yourself able to be grateful for difficult or unpleasant experiences. Perhaps call to mind an experience in your life that is challenging, one for which you'd like to be able to express gratitude. And think to yourself, I offer thanks for the teachings and lessons I have been given. I offer thanks for the opportunity to learn and grow. For this, I am grateful. Allow yourself to appreciate that life is a precious gift. Think to yourself, for this I am grateful. Allow yourself to appreciate the time you have spent today and the opportunity you have to pause and experience gratitude. For all you have brought to mind during this meditation, for the many gifts in your life, say, for this I am grateful. Allow the sense of gratitude to fill you completely as you begin to breathe in and out more deeply. Being with your breath right here, right now. Experience gratitude fully. Gratitude for the fact that you are alive and present in this very moment. Let that gratitude sink in, permeate through your entire being. And when you feel ready, open your eyes and return to full awareness with the warmth of gratitude filling you up fully. I am thankful for you. Thank you for practicing with me today.